Hi, Peter from Mechanics Mate. Today we're going to show you our Sheppard M110 Pitman arm puller. Alright, so what we've got in here, we've got a little kit. It's got our 25 tonne Sheppard Pitman arm attachment, it's got a spacer, and it's got a bolt. And we've got our 25 tonne cylinder we're using, as also our air over hydraulic pump. Alright, so what normally happens is people undo the nut, undo the bolt, and what they do is they back it off a few turns, so then what happens is when they go break this free, it doesn't come flying off at them. The issue that you have here, when you're using your traditional Pitman arm pullers, what you're going to do is you're going to load up the thread on this bolt. Okay, so you're risking the damage of it, and they're all screw type pullers, so what happens is it's going to want to turn as well, so it's fighting against you, you're going to have a hell of a hard time. So what we've done is we've used the spacer and the bolt, whack it in, and we'll just zip that up later. Alright, so now what happens is, as you can see, you've got a nice big gap in there. Once this is all tight, what you can see is that the load's going to be put directly onto the shaft and not onto the thread. So there's no risk of damaging your bolt or the thread inside your shaft. Okay, so normally we whack this on with a bit driver. Well, there you go, she's ready to go. It doesn't have to be tight because all we're doing is pushing against it. Alright, so now let's put it in action. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're just going to put the attachment on the cylinder. As you can see, we've got a quick connect coupling on there. We also use these same hydraulic connectors. Alright, now slip over. Yep. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to take up the slack. So the whole purpose of taking up the slack is to make sure that it's all square. We're not going to cause any issues when we take it on, when we put under load. Alright, we make sure that the cylinder is on completely tight. Yep, so we've got full engagement on our coupling. Alright, now we're ready to go. You don't hold the hose, alright, you just hold the cylinder. Let's go for it. That's it, she's done. And that's how easy it is when you've got 25 tonne available to you. That's Peter and Daniel from Mechanics Mate.